does it feel good when someone says...
Can you just for the sake of the people who may not know, because I know.
For others.
For the other people. Like, what is a pulsar, and why is it so important when you talk about spin?
Yeah, so a pulsar is the densest kind of object in the universe that we can measure. It's all the superlatives like that, right? It is the densest. We're talking something a couple of times the mass of the sun, but the size of Queens.
Okay.
So super compact.
That's wild.
Can't go any more compact or you get a black hole.
Queens, a borough of New York City.
Right. So it's
for international.
Because of that, it has an incredibly high surface gravity, right? So like 100 trillion times the surface gravity that's keeping us in our seats right now.
Oh.
So if you weighed a pound,
right
here, you'd weigh 100 trillion pounds on the surface of a neutron star.
You'd be flat as a flat.
Exactly, right.
But then they pulse, right? This pulsing is that they're spinning around really super crazy fast. They spin faster than a blender. Spinning so fast they could almost fly to pieces. Because of that fast spin and that high compression, they have these powerful, powerful magnetic fields, like trillion times higher than the magnet that's on your fridge. And that generates these intense electrical fields that'll accelerate particles, just like the particles at the particle accelerators
that's
here
your
on Earth.
particle, the universe as a particle accelerator.
Look at that.
And even though the surface gravity is so high, any particles that are near the surface, and these are just electrons and stuff like that, they will be, instead of falling to the surface, despite that high gravity, they get shot off at almost the speed of light because of the intense electric magnetic fields.
Look at that.
So that means we understand gamma ray bursts. Is that what you're saying?
That's a stretch.
Okay,
but,
okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So a gamma ray burst is a different thing. So this is during a stellar explosion, like a supernova. Something happens as the core of that star collapses, and
anytime
then,
a scientist says something happens,
yeah,
right? We're gapping ignorant. There's a whole ignorant valley there,
right? There's a whole world inside of something happens.
Right?
Well, people are modeling it and getting pretty good at it. There's a student in our group, a master's student, who's been doing these gamma ray burst explosions. But
master's degree,
yeah,
not just a master
of the universe,
or master class,
which would be kind of cool though. If
master's
you're an
degree student, yes.
Yes.
Okay.
That'd be the degree they should give you as an astrophysicist. You are now a master of the universe.
That I'm in favor of.
Yeah, we
That's
should
pretty
change
awesome.
that for sure.